Looks good. Running good?
Yeah, running great.
Good. He's making some nice stuff too, it looks like.
Yeah. I think we're moving some.
Good, yeah. I hope so, because I cut those down with my son. It was a nightmare.
Yeah, push.
Yeah.